Did she know Breasia was gone?
Yeah, I guess she did. I don't know
What do you mean you don't
because
know?
I don't know if she went in the room.
Okay.
That's one thing I don't know if she went in the room. So
After you fell asleep, was there any point in the night that you woke up?
Yes.
When did that occur?
It was like at 3 o'clock in the morning. Nature called, so I went and I kind of glanced over. Had no glasses on, so everything was kind of fuzzy. So I saw that she was not there. So I was like, okay, let me go get my glasses so I can see. And I felt on the bed. So I'm like, okay, she's not here. And my first reaction, call Mr. Dinkins. No.
All right. When you say that you stayed up, what room were you located in?
Living room.
Okay. When you stayed up, did you turn the lights on?
No.
Describe then the environment within the apartment.
So when I got done going to the bathroom, it was dark. No lights, nothing was on. And then, like a half hour later, I hear a key. And then heard someone softly coming up the stairs. I guess he thought I was asleep and didn't expect me to be up. And when I saw him, he had on a whole different outfit. So I don't know.
All right. Let's talk about the description of his outfit. Do you recall what Mr. Dinkins was wearing when you fell asleep?
I do.
What was he wearing when you fell asleep?
Kind of like a white beater and colorful shorts, like white, blue, and pink.
All right. And then when he came up the stairs, what do you remember, if anything, about what he had on?
I would say like a white t-shirt and some blue shorts that look like bandana pattern and some sneakers.
Do you recall the color of the sneakers?
I do not.
That's all right. Do you have any idea what time that was that Henry Dinkins came back to the apartment and you looked outside?
It was after 3:30
How do you know it was around the time frame of 3:30?
because I looked at my phone.
And is that how you were able to identify it as 3:30?
Yeah.
What room or what window did you look out when you said you saw Breasia?
The window above my bed.
Where specifically did you see Breasia standing?
She was like right between like the passenger door and the back door, like right there.
Of what?
Of the Impala.
The maroon Impala?
Yes.
And how did you know it was Breasia?
Her description is very distinctive. Her hair is very distinctive. The gigantic shirt she was wearing.
Okay. So was she in that white large T-shirt that Mr. Dinkins had the children put on after they took their baths?
Yes, ma'am.
When you looked out the window and you saw Breasia standing along the passenger side of the Chevy Impala, were you able to see her face to get a sense of any expression or emotional state for the child?
No, ma'am.
Explain.
It's like her head was like, had an aerial version of it. So I can only see like the top. I couldn't see her face.
Okay. And then when you looked out the window, could you see the front of her body, or was it the back of her body, or even a side profile?
Like a side profile.
A side profile. Later on, did you have occasion to draw a diagram for law enforcement to give them a perspective of where you observed Breasia standing relative to the maroon Chevy Impala?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your Honor, may the record reflect that I'm showing counsel what's been marked as State's Exhibit number 93. From there, then, what did Mr. Dinkins do?
Leave.
And then, did you see him go down the staircase?
Yes,
Did you continue to watch out the window?
I did.
What did you observe happening?
Car pulling off.
And was Breasia in the car when it pulled off?
Now, the windows are tinted, you can't see through.
Okay, so at the point in time that he's in the closet, had you looked away from the window?
Yes,
Okay, and then when he's going down the stairs, do you go back to the window?
I do.
Had he already gotten inside the vehicle?
Yes,
And was at the point in time that he was pulling away?
yes.
At the point in time he was pulling away, did you see Breasia anywhere in the parking lot?
No.
All right.
But these are my kids, bro.
Mhm.